Let's talk about the recently launched TECNO smartphone Spark 10 Pro. Now let's talk about the specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display with 6.8-inch Full HD plus punch hole display, with resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels, and with 20:9 aspect ratio, with 85.1% screen-to-body ratio, with approximately 396 ppi pixel density, and with 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main wide-angle camera, along with the 0.08 megapixel camera, with 0.3 megapixel camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel wide-angle camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system based on iOS 12.6 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM with 8GB extended RAM through Fusion memory technology, and 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable through micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.4 by 76.2 by 8.4 mm, and it weighs around 208 grams, and the color options starry black, pearl white, magic skin red, lunar eclipse, colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The TECNO Spark 10 Pro has been priced in Pakistan for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 39,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this TECNO Spark 10 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.